Hello and welcome to yet another in this interesting line of unboxing videos relating to acid rain. Here we have the Taste of Coffee set. It's a huge box in comparison to what we've just seen. It features Bob and Damien from just before Bob dies, which no one believes it actually happened. But anyway, straight to it, because I want to see what's in here. I've had it on pre-order for far too long. It's a box of sponge. Wow. So we've got Bob. In desert attire. We've got the rifle that we've seen used by Soul Commanders in previous releases. We've got a bag of gore. We'll focus on that in a second. Here we've got Damien, who is one of the younger soldiers that's with Bob just before he dies. So basically they're huddled behind cover and they're talking about all these things that are going on, and coffee and just stuff. And Bob dies. Well, he's shot, but I don't believe it, and I don't think anyone in the community actually believes it either. Now these guys appear to be like a retake on the Argut's infantry. But yeah, the detail is really good. Now if we look at original Bob, very similar, slightly different shading and tone obviously. But yeah, it's nice to have Damien finally, because he is a bit of a character. Alright, gore bag. Mutilated leg. Other mutilated leg. Mutilated arm. A helmet. Bob's diary. A helmet with eye hole missing. A nice intact gas mask. What else we got? Mutilated arm. The pouch of coffee. Mutilated torso. I can see a lot of people having fun with these. Intact gas mask. A helmet. Oh. This guy got unlucky. The detail's fantastic. Like the camera doesn't do it justice. Wow. So I guess it goes something like that. Oh, I feel bad for this guy. Alright, next layer. Like the foam, like cuts so everything fits. I appreciate that detail. Alright, now this is a bit of a terrain piece. Not plastic. Detail's fantastic as always. Oh, a bit of weight to it. Branding on the back. So the idea is that they're in some kind of ruined building just before like the night before Bob shot, I believe it was night. And they're just sitting and having the conversation about like life in general, because Bob's been out there, he's travelled, he knows what the landscape is. You know, obviously they had gas masks on, but you know. And Bob stashed his coffee beans and his diary in somewhere, so there might be a hidden compartment in here, legitimately. I doubt it though, because I don't see one. And then the next day, Damien finds it, where he starts reading, and he keeps the coffee beans, and there's a cigarette as well, which, I mean, you're living in a world full of pollution, what's going to hurt? So Damien writes a letter to King, who's leading the Bucks team, telling him about Bob, and that's kind of as far as that story went that we know of. It would be nice for Kat Lau, to the creator of this line, to revisit that at some point. I would love that. So yeah, these gory bits are fantastic. Alright, so just reaching off camera. Now, because the bodies are all the same, I've just got a generic guy, and I'm going to rip him in half. And then undo the arm. Take off the head. Might be nice and leave him. So the legs are just ball jointed, so they just pop off. Oh, it's a little bit hard to tell what one goes where. Yeah, that looks right. So this guy didn't have a very good day. But you think of all the fun you could have with these, you know, wounded soldiers getting rescued, and I don't know, just all that sort of stuff. The legs are wrapped, which is just a nice little detail. There's blood staining on the pants, obviously to do with the mutilated parts that you get with the set. But there you have it, Bob, Damien, and various mutilated parts with a bit of diorama to add to the current line. A little bit costly, but that's fine by me. Detail is fantastic, very poseable, lots of great little accessories. I'm a little bit biased, but I would say go get one yourself. And as always, I do appreciate your time, and I hope you enjoyed this, and stay watching for more.